Good morning, everyone. My name is Hans. I am CEO and co-founder of Moddule. Moddule, which is a 100% agnostic supply chain platform built for logistics professionals. Before I'm going to go a little bit of a deep dive of what we do, who we are, and what kind of value we're bringing to the table, I'm just going to give you an insight to a short video about what kind of powerful technology we've built so far.
Moddule connects to your internal systems and external data, so you can manage the entire supply chain while giving your customers the superior experience they expect. From managing POs the easy way, to tracking shipments regardless of mode or carrier, and handling fulfillment in your own or third-party warehouses. Moddule ties it all together, under your own branding, all while keeping you in command and with full control of your data. That's Moddule, built for logistics professionals by logistics professionals.
I will give a little bit of insight who we are and what we're trying to do. Well, I actually are doing. But the reason why we are doing this is because of that. Over the last few years, particularly the last 5 to 10 years, there's been a lot of great technology come to the market to help and improve the supply chain. We kind of divide them a little bit in two categories. You see the one on the left side, a more, I'll say, supply chain platforms who's out more like a point-to-point. They're working on and they're solving a specific problem throughout the supply chain. But on the right side, these are one we consider more like aggregators. The one who's focusing on the transportation visibility across multiple products. The data is getting better and better. More and more is coming to the table. And it's really only to the benefit for the entire supply chain as well that we can have reliable data to manage our supply chain. The problem we're doing, we bring it all together because when you continue having more supply chain platforms coming to the market, it's really just a replicate of that fragmented industry with logistics really is. But that's our job, by bringing things together, and the reason why Moddule was established in the first place. Really what our North Star is to continuing integrate with some of those great platforms out there, aside from our own developing platforms, so we will become this kind of a marketplace in terms of supply chain applications. That's kind of the long-term value in terms of what we see of ourselves in a few years from now. Where we are today is a different situation. We have built the industry first, I'll say agnostic, independent and neutral supply chain platform, like built for professionals. We brought together with the supply chain platforms who's out there, the point-to-point solutions, the aggregator as well. And then we also integrate that with the logistics professionals' operating systems, whether that's a TMS, WMS, anything ERP, you name it, what logistics providers in general are using to manage the supply chain in the back end. We're combining that together with the new technologies in the front end, and we turn into a total vital label solutions for our clients. And I think there's an example of here. One of our clients up there, you may be familiar with that one, who's really a really technology, and it's their brand, so I would say. So that's what we do, bring everything together. Just an example of that. There's nothing better to receive feedback from core clients of ours in terms of the value we bring. Here's one 140 years old logistics provider, quite well known, particularly in the European market, but also now expanding into the US market. They have come to us and say how we bring value to them. And they're pointing out a couple of things. One, by integrating into our platform, using our platform as the white label solution, we have become their customer experience platform. We're sitting on top of their operating systems with the communication channels to their clients. It's automated. At the same time, they've been able to achieve new revenue stream, both with existing clients, but indeed also with customers they're not able to approach before. That's one of the values being brought in. Another one, what we have experienced and coming to us, we have saved them a lot of terms of time in terms of manual work. They've been able to now to move people away who used to be able to spend the most of the time on manualing their supply chain in Excel or different kind of systems or backup systems or systems they used to have inherited from previous acquisitions, basically backup words. We have automated a lot of that process so they can use those experts and those dedicated colleagues they have to other different things which bring meaningful business, value to their business as well. And this is something we appreciate more when customer coming to us, how we've been helping them. That's bring more value in terms of everything. Just a very quick recap what our platform comes with. We're an integration platforms. What we trying to do to make integrations easy. We do that in a couple of weeks in terms of the integration. We also manage the integrations for our clients as well. And what comes with our platform, there's a few things I will be highlighting here. One thing about our PO management system. Basically, we are connecting the vendors, the factories, the shippers, and the freight forwarders into the platform as well. Very things. So the whole manual process of spreadsheet, having vendor management, follow up, stuff like that is not really needed here because everything is in that platform at the same time. So everybody have that view in terms of when the POs are ready from origin. There's not this discussions about when is the cargo ready or is the freight forwarder has to pick up the cargo or anything like that. No, it's all integrated because we basically create a collaborative platform around the PO management within the platform, which directly is linked to the shipment tracking as well. In our shipment tracking tools, a part of the platform, we have provided value in terms of shipment tracking across multiple transportation modes. So you see the ocean freight, you see the air freight, you also see the rail, road, and last mile into the business as well. And we're providing a lot of reporting tools as well, so we can help our clients becoming better, providing a better experience to their clients as well. Individual reporting, CO2 reporting, carrier performance reporting, etc. We are building our platform as well, and this is just to using that one. We do that through integrations to those to the carriers, but also to the aggregators that exist out there, and we're considering our job to analyze the best kind of data so our clients can get the most best accuracy and manage the supply chain best as possible. Last but not least, the fulfillment part, the national distribution is part of our business as well. We integrate to the warehouse management system, whether it's in-house, whether it's a third party or even a client of them. So we bring all that data together into the same platform, so you got that true end-to-end visibility from factory floor at origin to consumer door at destination throughout the different transportation modes. That was just what I want to say here this morning for now. I, together with a couple of colleagues, Ben, my co-founder, David, our COO, we are up on booth number K28. So if you want to have a chat with us, talk a little bit about what we do and how we can help you, please come and visit us. Thank you very much.